How to add GIF to Mailchimp email. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to add a GIF image into your email on Mailchimp campaign. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over your website of Mailchimp.com. Then you need to log in for an account. As you can see here, the login is very simple. If you don't have a login and a password, you need to sign up. In my case, I will go ahead and click on login. Right here, we have the Mailchimp access. We are going to see here the admin or the dashboard right here. As you can see here, we have the statistics, the email performance, some quick actions, and also the audience and etc. Now, we have this specific area, which is the main menu. As you can see, we have no header, but we have a left sidebar which contain our menu. So you are going right here to click on create. So the first thing is to click on create. Then you're going to choose the email. We are going right here to select one of these items. As you can see here, we can go ahead and build an email, an automation with an email, a landing page to sign up. So the best thing right here, and for today's video, we are going to create a regular email. You're going to click on design email. Then you are going to see here the different steps to add your email. The first step is to add the recipients, which is two. Here, you're going to send this email to the subscribers. You can go ahead and click on the recipients and add the audience that you have. You can go ahead and segmentate your subscribers or your audience right away. So you're going to click on save. When you finish that, then it will be checked like this. From here, we have the email address of the sender, which is your email address. As you can see here, we have this email address. I have a little disclaimer, guys. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses and accounts, are created for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So right here, you can edit this specific form and put the name right here. So we are going to put, for example, Jack, and the email address. You can also change it. When you finish, you're going to click on save. And here we have the from. Now, let's go to the subject. You need to add a subject to not let your email go to the spam of the subscribers. For example, here, we're going to put here newsletter. So, newsletter like that. I'm going to put here my name, Jack, for example, newsletter like that. And the preview test or the preview text, you're going to put here the same or something more appealing. When you finish, you're going to click on save. Now, we have all of the 3 or 4 steps here. We have the last step, which is the content and the modification of the email. You're going to click on design email. Then this is the most important part. Here, you need to select one of these templates. As you can see, we have a lot of templates, but most of them are for the personal uses or the professional uses, like this one, upgrade to use. You have also upgrade to use and etc. So make sure that you are going to use only the free one if you have the free account. If you have a premium one, go ahead right away and set up your here. Now we are going to put here, let's say we're going to put, so we are going to click here on any of these. Now we are going to put it like this. Here we have the content of the email. Now we are going to see the different component. We have the option to add the content and also some layout. Right here for the content or the content blocks, here are represented by images, spacers, buttons, graphs, and etc. So here to add a GIF, you need to add an image block, and this is like an image block. So we are going to add this image, drag and drop it, and put it right away here. So now let's go ahead and add the image. To add the image, you're going to use only the images from your content. For example, here we are going to upload. And now I'm going to create a GIF image from Canva, for example, or you can bring whatever image to you. In my case, I will go ahead just to create a GIF because the GIF that I am going to create will represent, for example, my brand or represent here the action that I want to put to the customers and etc. So we are going to head over Canva, then we are going to add the GIF image. For example, I'm going to get the format of 500 to 500. I'm going to delete all of this. 500 by 500, which is considered as a logo. So we are going to see here this square. Now let's go ahead and add a element. And from these elements, we are going to select GIFs. So we are going to see here the GIFs. You can go also add some videos, then you are going to convert them into GIFs. For example, here, let's go ahead and add one of these. Let's say that we are going to add this button or like this one. So I'm going to put here this thumbs up and also I'm going to add something to it. Here we have it. This is it. Now all we need to do is to click on share, download, then we are going to add it as a GIF. Let's see if we can download this without a problem. So right here we have it. It is preparing our GIF. So we are going to wait for a few seconds until the download will be ready. So here we have the download. We are going to view this specific image. It is a GIF. Now we are going right here to the campaign builder of our email. We are going to click on add. We are going to upload or browse right here the images. So here we have it, the format of GIF. Now we are going to click on add. Here we are going to wait for the GIF image to appear. We are going to wait for a few seconds. Here it will be uploading the GIF, then it will be processing the image also. So you are going to see the image added as a GIF. In case you didn't find the image added as a GIF, you can go ahead and modify this specific image and also try the dynamic version of it, because here it will create two versions of the image. We have the static and we have the dynamic. And as you can see here, we have the GIF image added. You can go ahead and edit the image. So we are going to make it a little bit smaller. I have overdo my sizing right here or my dimensions. So we are going to make it a little bit smaller. So let's go ahead and put, for example, here we are going to see what do we have, crop and resize. So we are going to see here dimension. It is set to 500 by 500. It is right here, as you can see, fixed. I don't know if we can do that, but it doesn't matter. You can go ahead and create a smaller version of this, for example, 250 by 250. And here we have the GIF image. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.